What's up, man? Today we at this bitch, man. Nobody gives a fuck. Come out.
Hold that. The fuck?
Yeah.
Thought it was new.
Yeah. I'm gonna pop this off. This nigga right here. Box delete.
Buy a patrol car.
Sell your fucking Subaru.
Buy a patrol car.
That's perfect.
Get that on video, nigga. It's in
Mass
there.
airflow.
It's in there, duh, nigga.
Fucking chill like that.
You're not gonna mount that in there?
Alright, bro. We still have to get the sensor in there, bro. Like, damn.
You ain't put a clamp on this side?
Pick off a throttle body, bro.
fuck.
This shit's easy.
Fuck what he talking
I
about.
smell
Look
weed.
at that, nigga.
I smell that. That is, oh,
1, 2, 4 bolts. Simple. Hard, bro. Stop going to YouTube for everything. Just do it.
Nigga, they're on YouTube right now.
Whoa.
Your shit's straight.
My shit was loose.
Yeah.
It was leaking. Yeah.
That's why niggas
Yeah.
go on YouTube.
Shit wasn't even tight, dog.
Nigga be sitting.
Bro, look at that, bro. This shit's clapped, bro. Intake. Look at that shit, bro.
that shit nasty.
Yeah. Review.
Unboxing. Oh, comes with new gasket.
85 millimeter throttle body right here.
Oh, look at that.
So yeah, man. But yeah, it's not supposed to look like this, bro. Yeah, that shit's clapped.
Oh my fuck.
So that's the old one can fit inside the new one. Link will be in the bio. $56. $25 for this. I paid. I'll put the link in the bio. Oh shit! Oh, my part almost flipped. All right, man. We back in this bitch, man. You're. We just went to the store, got some fiberglass. Oh shit, got some fiberglass for the boat. We finna fiberglass the boat up later. What you said?
We let rock out?
Oh nah, fuck rock. Old and new, bro.
It's just way thicker too.
Yeah, look at that.
Better hope that.
Look at that shit, bro.
Yeah, this nigga used black ass old.
Bro, it don't matter, bro. It's not even that black, bro. Relax. Come on. Wait, oh yeah, dude.
He said you put it in on that small.
No, yeah, I see it.
Let me get my chest plate back. Going down the fucking junkyard, weight reduction. No, I'm just playing. Y'all see it though.
This is weight reduction.
This shit weight reduction for sure.
This is weight reduction.
I don't want to hear a damn one of y'all in the comments say shit about that. Cause let me see your trunk. Let me see your trunk, bitch. Let me see your back seat. You got seats? Shut the fuck up.
I'm fucking shaking.
Shit, I would be too.
You're not even on the hole.
Well, nigga, don't.
Gonna be crisscross.
Got that bitch lined up.
That what you praying for?
Dirt out. So we FBO, full bolt on.
Boy had a line.
I might as well go grab the headers to show y'all. Oh yeah. Y'all niggas still wanna talk that shit?
Well, what them headers is though?
Oh, you see the name?
Whew.
Good 800.
Gut. Coupe sedan.
Do not use these, bro.
Cheaply made. Garbage.
Look at that. Look.
Look, already.
Broken.
Make sure y'all get y'all some OEM head gaskets, cold air intake, A&N, big boy. Straight piped, no resonator. Resonator delete. Mid delete. This shit right here, trash. Basura. All right, so I had to install a 4-inch coupler, 4-inch to 4-inch, and then I had cut my old coupler for this air intake, cut it in half where it curved, and then this is a 3-inch to the 3-inch to down here. Then down there, you see that big boy cannon in there. 85 millimeter throttle body right here. Straight pipe, little catch can, gutted, lowering spring. Oh damn! There you go.